my gosh, his eyes are glowing.
That's so cool. Turn that around real quick. And shut it off. Whoa, check it out. That is really cool. Howdy folks, it's Brian Spookletters. Check it out, man. We are going to take a look at the Dark Lord Boglins. That's right. These originally came out back in the late 80s, early 90s, and it's retro toy now, so a little bit of 80s, 90s nostalgia. And we're coming back 2021 with the Boglins. Check it out. So we got the Crazy Clown, we have Blobkin, and buy one get one bones. I think Bogo get it, buy one get one free. Bog-O-Bones, the history of the Boglins and things like that. I'm not going to go into details with that. You know, if you guys really want to look it up, you can. But yeah, this is the box for Bog-O-Bones. And like I said, it says first edition for each one of these, and it says do not feed candy. So they're kind of like gremlins, you know how you can't put water on them and feed them candy and things like that. Same thing back here. Same design, everything like that. And I'm assuming that's all the same. So with that being said, we're gonna get these little creepy creatures out of their cages and set them free. All right, y'all dig, I dig. Ready? We'll be right back. Getting these out are a little bit tricky. It's not as childproof as most toys are. But the hard part is popping this bad boy off. I mean, this locks in there really good. But it also comes with a little piece that was wrapped up in there, the tail. So you gotta hook up the tail and some small instructions on what to do. And it says in the back right there, lots of tricks but no treats for Bog-O-Bones. And it has a little map right here. It says the Bag of Dooms, also known as the Boglins. Boglins, get it? Bogs. And a little story right here. Let me get this together. This is what it looks like in the inside. There's this little eye mechanism and things like that. It's really cool. Let me get him together. All right, and just in case anybody decides they want to get their very own Boglin and they're confused on how to do this, when you pop that off, you're gonna stick that into the tail like this, and then you're gonna have this little piece right here that you're gonna put in the inside, and you're gonna snap it together. And it should hold everything in place. So give me one moment, and that's just a little quick tip if you want to get your very own, because there's lots of these cool little creepy monsters. They are basically puppets, really cool looking puppets, and they are way different than original ones. It's really cool. You put your hand in there, and you got like this eye mechanism chain. You can just flip up and down like this. Let's see, watch. Okay, so he kind of looks. It's kind of creepy. And then at the base of the box, you see that little circle cut out. All right, y'all see that right over there? There's a little circle cut out, so then you can put your hand through the bottom of the box with him inside, and it looks like his cage. So that is really cool. It's very interactive. I like these. These are totally fun. And you just snap that tail on, but it takes a little bit of pressure to get that thing to snap in there. But once you do, that's what it all looks like right there. And you can just make them your little personal pet. And it's like a silicone jelly body. Kind of cool, see? Ooh. Now the cool thing about these are they actually do glow in the dark. So we'll take a look at that shortly after I get the other two out. You dig? You dig. See you in a minute. It says, caution, this special box is your Boglins home. Keep your Boglins happy, take care of his home. Your Boglins will like that. Please proceed carefully. And as you pull it out of the box. Pretty cool, I like that. They have a backstory right here. So you can read right there. I'm not gonna read it, but I'll hold it there for a few minutes. So if y'all want to put pause in that. And then Mr. Crazy Clown, he has his own little story too. So I'm gonna hold that right there for a minute. So it says don't play the Bee Gees. I like the Bee Gees, man. Wonder what happens if I play the Bee Gees. Does that say anything like that? Pretty cool, huh? And then you're supposed to kind of move your hand down and pull. You can pull his tongue from the inside like this. So if you're really talented, I'm trying to film at the same time. And I can't get my finger on that thing to get his eyes straight. There we go. think I was blocking it. And then you kind of pull his mouth like this and you can change his expressions or push it out like that. This is hard to film and do at the same time. Really fun. Nice little arms. It's all made out of silicone. Put your hand in there. Kind of fun. I gotta go get my daughter from school, so I'm gonna bring one of these for her. She liked this one, so I think I'm gonna bring Crazy Clown. Here's Blobkin. He's funny too. The same thing, you could pull his mouth like this and give him different facial expressions and things like that. Really fun. You could do a puppet show, whatever. I like the orange. He's totally Halloween here. And then Bog-O-Bones, we kind of saw him. But let's go get them in the dark and then we'll see how they glow. We're just going to shine the flashlight on these Boglins right here. Check them out. Get the eyes, everything really good. Okay. So charge them up really good. Get it real close here. Actually, you can see it kind of glows really good when I pull it away. It's pretty cool. Alright, so let's shut it off and let's see what happens. Whoa, look at that. Those are really neat. That's pretty cool. The white ones seem to glow really good. The orange one, Blobkin itself, doesn't glow that great. Let me see if I can get a little more light on him. Let's take a look at Bog-O-Bones. But he's glowing really good, man. I like the white ones. Oh yeah, baby. All right, let's look at the clown here. Let me get some more light on him. All right, so let's just kind of get him really good here. Really good, really good, really good, really good. Turn that around. And let's shut it off. Whoa, check it out. That is really cool. So obviously if you have a UV black light, this is really, really cool. And I do got one. Maybe I'll make a later video just goofing around with my kids. All right, so that's Crazy Clown. He looks really good. Let's put the light really close up to him and kind of charge him up. Unfortunately, I don't think he's going to glow as good as the white ones. I mean, I'm going to leave that right there on his forehead. Bam. And we'll see how well he does. Ready, set, go. So if you get it like right on there, he glows really good. I mean, I put it like right on him. So he does glow pretty good if you kind of get it right on him, like really close. You watch. So see, then he did a little bit better. But with the white, you don't even have to do that. Watch. Now we're gonna go to Bones. I'm just gonna do a quick at a distance like this. Kind of get around right here, and I'm keeping it at least a foot away from him. And ready, set, go. And so yeah, he does a real good job glowing. And Boglin, the pumpkin one, just kind of is already fading out. And Crazy Clown, he's already fading out. Watch, we'll do a quick little zip through. This is real quick. And action. Let's see, it doesn't take much for the white ones to even get charged. So yeah, definitely do it in black light, totally cool. Alright, so this is Brian from Spooky Laters. Hopefully you dig this video. Until next time, y'all stay spooky, my friends. Ooh, that's creepy, man. Peace, love, and geese.